Losing leads because you're too slow to respond to form submissions? Here's how to set up instant auto response emails in Go High Level in under 3 minutes. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Go High Level's workflow automation to automatically send personalized emails the second someone fills out your form. By the end of this, every form submission will trigger an instant response without you lifting a finger. Let's go ahead and get started. So you'll navigate to your Go High Level workflow automation builder, and here we're going to create one from scratch. First, we're going to start off here. We're going to add the new trigger, and the new trigger is going to be based on the form submitted. Now from here, you can filter this and choose a very specific form, or you can just have this work for all the forms. It's very much dependent on you. I'm going to do it based on somebody filling out the consulting form. I will save that trigger. Now I'm going to add an action step where people get an email. Now you can of course choose your own existing email template if you have one. If not, you can do a quick compose. They do also have a smart builder where you can build it out in real time for your design. So we're going to choose smart builder. We're going to choose design editor, and we're going to select this. And we're actually going to build out our form submission response right here. Now you can of course fill out this email and design it yourself step by step. You can drag and drop the buttons. You can add in text. You can add in images and buttons and logos and all that good stuff. You can also use Go High Level's email AI. It is currently in beta by the recording of this video. And I'm going to paste in a prompt that is also available in our inFlow community that will allow us to automatically make this email. So I'm going to paste it in a minute. So from here, I set in this prompt: create an email to be sent to people interested in booking a Clarity call with the inFlow team. Include a button that will link people to allianceforbusiness.co where they can book their call. Now I'm going to send this out, and we'll come back to see what the email AI built out for us. So here is the email that the email AI created, and you see these images. It also created those images. High Level has really stepped up when it came to its image creation, but it created these images. We did not copy them from ChatGPT or Nano Banana or Gemini or anything like that. So from here, you can still edit every single part of this email. You can of course swap the images if that's what you like. It added a button as well, and we can edit the contents of that button too, and edit how it looks. We can add the URL as well, because as of right now, the email AI won't do that. You can adjust the images. So for example, I think the width and the height of our logo is just a bit wonky. I'm just going to drag it so it's smaller but still in even shape, as you see here. Of course, it added the footer. It added place for us to put our social media, so we could do that as well. So you can edit this as you keep going. We will save this, and this is actually a template in our account as well. So we can add here consulting form submission email, so we can use this in the future. We'll exit out of here, and all we have to do is add in our name. So we can say the inFlow by the Alliance. We can set the from email, which we could probably do to be hello@beinflow.io, and you can set the subject line as well. So if you want to set the subject line, you can do that too. Welcome to inFlow. So from here, we can track these clicks, track the UTM, which I would absolutely suggest that you do. We would save this action step. And now anytime a form is submitted for our consulting form specifically, then we're going to get a email that's going to be sent to our contact. So having this workflow will keep leads engaged, shows professionalism, and increases your chances of conversion while you focus on the other parts of your business. The entire process runs on autopilot. From here, all you have to do is switch it on, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to master automations like this for your side hustle, then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation in order to grow their side business. The link is in the bio and in the description. And remember to build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. See you soon.